Hey there, it's Ashley here. Welcome to Createful Art. We have moved from Alaska to an RV and we're going to be traveling to all US states, and I'm going to be painting what inspires me in all of those states. I am in Michigan, Indiana in one of their beautiful fields, Twin Falls, Idaho, Minnesota, Badlands in Montana, North Dakota, the Grand River in Ohio, in Wisconsin, and here I am in Erie, Pennsylvania. Thank you for coming along and painting with me. If you are an art lover, this is the perfect channel for you, so I hope you subscribe. If you want postcards, you can become a Createful Art member, and there's a link in the description below. There are a lot of benefits to becoming a member, and so I hope you join us. And a special thank you to all my members for making these videos possible, and I will see you soon. Bye.
There's the Canuck Glacier.
No, I'm the glacier, see?
Don't know what he has to do with being a glacier, but hey. And he's just miserable. He's like, it's cold, it's windy, I'm covered in dirt.